welcome to another episode. Today, you are now officially tuned in with RNG Diaries again. Okay.
What's our episode gonna be today? I think controversial na lang every detail. No, but in seriousness talaga, I don't think it's very controversial. Siguro one of the most overused quotes or sayings na
Overused question.
I
Overused
think
question.
so. Have you
Overused.
ever heard of money can't buy happiness?
Yes. Oh,
Do you
super
agree?
overused na siya. And my answer
And do
with
you
that,
agree? The
yes,
money can't buy happiness?
money can buy happiness for me.
So you
Talaga.
disagree?
No, I mean, nag-agree ako with that. Kasi,
Okay.
why not? Money can buy happiness ba?
Ate,
Pero
akala ko hindi ka nag-agree. Medyo
no,
mako-question yung friendship natin. Charot.
actually, actually nag-agree ako. Kasi syempre, money can't buy happiness. Try paying rent without it.
Or
Right?
try paying food. Or, di ba? Try starving. Yun na lang. Try
Oh,
starving for days without food in your stomach. Or try buying, I don't know. Sige, subukan mo
siguro,
maglakad ng, di ba?
pero meron kasing ano dyan eh. Meron actually take dyan na siguro iisipin ng iba na um, para sa atin, it can buy happiness. Pero para
Hmm.
sa mga mayayaman, yung mga marami ng pera, I
I-search
think,
ko kung sino nagsabi nun ah. Para,
sino
para
nagsabi?
dagdag. Ititingnan natin kung sino nagsabi ng punyetang saying na yan. Kasi honestly, mukha akong pera, okay? Ay,
Same, same. Pero, well, wait.
mukha akong pera.
Actually din, kasi so, para sa iba, money can buy happiness. Kasi, um, para kasi sa kanila, di ba, gusto nila, yung iba kasi mayayaman, di ba, wala na sila, mostly yung family time.
Mm.
So, since may pera sila, yung, kanya-kanya na lang nilang spend it.
Yeah. Oo, totoo naman. Siguro ang like
Usually,
sinasabi mo ba,
usually sa mga
budgeting?
may pera na, hindi na money ang gusto nila. Ang gusto nila, love,
Actually, baligtad. Ang gusto na nila, happiness.
love and
Kasi
happiness.
parang for them, okay, I got everything. Alam mo yun, I'm a gajillionaire, I'm a billionaire. What more do I need, di ba? Pero like sa ating mga low life, charot, hindi naman low life, but like ordinary, lower class people, what do we need? Money, di ba? Para magsustento sa buhay natin. Yun lang. Okay, I found out who fucking said it. Sabi
Sin
dito, money can't buy happiness. Si Claire Booth Luz. Ate ko, mayaman ka siguro. Bitch, mayaman siya. Nakita ko na. Na-search ko na kung sino nagsabi. I don't think so talaga. Feeling ko, bilyonaryo to. That's why
Ano
she has
pangalan
the
natin na
right.
isi-search ko din? Wait
Claire
lang.
Booth Luz. I-search mo. Because I feel like hindi siya,
Anong name? Claire?
Booth Luz.
Booth.
Dearies, paki-search na din. Charot
Anong
lang.
spelling ng apelyido niya, be?
Luce. See, siya, di ba? Siya yung nagsabi nun. Pero sabi dito, but it can make you awfully comfortable while you're being miserable.
Sinabi rin ni Elon Musk na money can buy happiness.
Marami actually. Tapos, tingnan mo yung like, I don't know,
Pero, paano nga ba nila,
common ground nilang lahat.
pero,
Mga rich, ano to,
pero,
crazy rich people tong mga nagsabi.
pero paano
Elon
nga
Musk.
nila, pero paano nga nila nasabi na money can buy happiness?
I feel like,
Paano nila
ano,
na-justify yung, ano na yun? Kung bakit para sa kanila, it can't be bought.
o sige, eto na lang. Like, when we were kids, alam mo yung sinasabi nilang simple joys? Na parang, alam mo, ang babaw naman ng kaligayahan mo, but in a good way, di ba? Na parang, imagine mo na lang, when you were a child, childhood mo, binilan ka ng, I don't know, pasalubong, lalo na sa culture nating Filipinos, pasalubong from your mom or from someone special, di ba? Parang, wow, alam mo yun, may pasalubong, may trinket ako, but it's just a small thing, alam mo yun, parang, what's so special about it? Samantalang itong mga 'to, okay, ang alam mo yon gift ko sa'yo is a phone, is a laptop, or
Oo.
alam mo yon expensive clothes, bags. Pero like tayo nun, do you think you were truly happy? Kasi those are yun yung mga hindi cheap, but like those are the affordable yet meaningful na mga trinkets. Alam mo yun, trinkets of joy, na do you think nung binibigyan ka nung bata ka, parang, oh shit, ang saya ko na. Were you happy?
Yes. Kasi kahit papaano pera pa din ginamit pang bili nun eh.
Ako hindi. I feel like I wasn't happy. I was contented. Iba,
Oo,
parang for me kasi iba yung contentment sa happiness. So ako, I
yes.
wasn't happy. I was contented. Okay, judge me all you want, guys. Pero I wasn't happy nung kahit na, kasi ano yun eh, parang okay. Okay, I don't know. I was
Justifiable
contented.
naman din kasi siya kahit papaano talaga, di ba? So,
Siguro
if,
parang happiness, I don't know. Kasi may iba-iba tayong measurement of happiness, di ba?
yes, iba-iba tayo ng take sa happiness.
Oo.
Kasi 'di ba, kasi 'di ba if money can buy happiness, then why people with financial security generally less stress and more satisfied with life.
Oo, totoo. Kasi
Mm.
yung mga higher class, parang, I don't know, kasi hindi pa natin na-try maging higher class, be. Hindi
Ah,
pa natin na-try. Pero like, like scientifically proven, I don't know, less stress nga. Totoo. Kasi wala silang pinoproblemang bills. Ang
yes.
pinoproblema nila, saan sila
Kaya kaya nga
pupunta?
sabi nila, kaya nga 'di ba sabi nila, money can't buy happiness, pero it can buy comfort, healthcare, freedom, time, opportunities. Aren't those the ingredient of happiness?
Kasi parang, I don't know, kasi parang if ano, okay, paano 'pag kunwari ako, magiging masaya lang ako kapag marami na akong pera? What
Ako
does
din.
that mean? 'Di ba?
Kasi
'Di ba
nabibili ko na yung mga gusto ko and by buying everything I want, I am happy.
oo. Okay, fine. Girl, iba-bash tayo ng ano, ng mga Katoliko, charot. Because 'di ba, money is the root of all evil, sabi nga nila. Pero
Yes.
like, kasi sinasabi natin ngayon. Kasi parang like,
Sabagay.
'di
Sabagay
ba?
kasi kaya mong bilhin yung mga gusto mo if if kaya mong bayaran kapag may money ka. Kaya mong halimbawa may gusto kang dayain.
Sabagay, oo. Pero
Nabibili,
like kasi yun nga, kasi
nabibili
ibig
ang
sabihin
judge,
nun,
nabibili ang lawyers para dayain yung ano.
siguro kaya
Ngayon,
nila nasasabi
sa
yun.
politics natin,
Oo, oo.
binabayaran nila para manalo.
Pero
Mm,
like, okay, so sinasabi mo na kunwari wala kang pera ngayon, you will never ever be truly happy.
hindi naman.
Ako never.
Ako,
Never. Kung
ako
alam
na,
ko magugutom ako the next day at wala akong matitiran, ba't ako magiging masaya? Magiging
yeah.
miserable ako.
Oo, totoo yung ganun.
So never ako magiging truly happy. Pero like, ibig sabihin ba nun ang measurement natin ng kasayahan sa buhay? Kasi 'di ba life is too short. How are we gonna enjoy it if we measure it on money?
Yes, kasi 'di ba imagine na lang, imagine na lang, imagine choosing between working three exhausting jobs just to survive para may makain ka or having enough money to spend evenings with your family or dinners or travels,
Mm.
which life
Oo.
sounds happier sa tingin mo?
Parang I think it's very contradicting eh. Kasi let's
Mm.
say you're gonna spend your whole life. Kasi we all know life is too short. Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka matitigok, 'di ba? Mamaya tegi na ako bukas or after 30 years pa pala. And then you're gonna spend your whole life working. Alam mo 'yon, busting your ass off for money. Eh, paano yung mga taong may pera na?
Pero
'Di ba?
naniniwala ka ba na money helps build relationships? Kasi di ba you have the
No.
ability to spend the quality time with your loved ones using the money? Ano bang ginagamit mo pang spend?
No, I don't parang medyo no sa akin ng konti.
Bakit?
I don't know, kasi parang, ano ba yun? Like, every time na I would hang out with the special people in my life, I need money.
Oh,
Ewan ko, that's my take. Parang no.
bakit?
I feel like being alone with them, alam mo yun, alone together, na
So,
kami-kami lang.
can
Parang
already
it's enough security for me to feel contented. Not happy, contented.
contented.
Yun
Pero
yung
we're talking
sa'kin.
about
Yun yung
happiness.
I'm, okay, fine. Siguro may mga, alam mo yun, sparks of happiness akong mararamdaman throughout ng, alam mo yun, but like, feeling ko contentment would always last. Siya yung laging andyan. Siya yung constant ko na mafe-feel. Contentment sa buhay. Pero like, if we're gonna talk about happiness, if I know na I can't provide for myself and my family or ganyan, hindi ako
Ah,
magiging masaya.
hmm.
I don't know.
Sa bagay.
Ikaw ba?
Sa akin kasi, I think, for me money really helps build relationship. Kasi, for example, my family wants to travel abroad. Pero syempre, since
Hmm.
wala kaming pera, hindi ko sila mapapasaya. Parang gano'n siya for me. So
Yeah.
dahil do'n hindi kami makakapag-spend ng quality time together. Pero in case, puwede naman kasi mag-spend ng quality time, sa ibang paraan, gano'n. Gano'n siya.
Pero like actually, I like what you said nga. Kasi ano ba yun, parang level up? Level up ba tawag dun? Parang, I don't know. Kasi 'di ba since childhood, wala, kontento na tayo sa binigay na buhay natin eh, 'di ba?
Oo,
Kontento na tayo na, alam mo yon, medyo isang tuka, alam mo yung term na yon na parang bawat paycheck isang tuka. I don't know, bitch, uso yun ng sinasabi yun
isang
ng mga
kain, isang
matatanda,
tuka, gano'n.
'di ba? Oh, dun tayo na kontento eh. So
Oo,
parang I feel like I don't know, I confused it as, okay, ito na pala yung meaning ng happiness for me. Pero like growing up, na-realize ko na, ay, hindi pala siya happiness, contentment pala siya. Para sa akin ah.
contentment siya.
Ikaw
Yes,
ba?
contentment and happiness is a very different, thing.
Different, iba yun eh, iba yun eh.
Magkaiba
Kasi
sila.
being contented is just, alam mo yun, settling for what you have. But like happiness, parang sky's the limit. Alam mo yun?
Pero do you think since contented ka, happy ka na ba dun?
No, I'm not.
Ayun
Ikaw,
lang.
are you happy? Like, sa tingin mo? Happy ka na doon?
No din. Kasi for me, money alone doesn't guarantee talaga happiness. Pero, depende siya sa take natin. If
Oo, depends on the
ganun
person.
talaga, depende siya. Money is actually a tool, hindi talaga siya yung pinaka-final goal. Pero kasi, with the money, we can be happy. We can buy the things we
Mm.
want. We can buy everything we want. Ganun.
Yeah, I think so too.
We actually just need to focus on both financial success and emotional well-being. So, hindi lang totally nakafocus sa money can buy happiness. So, ayun. We need to earn and manage our money responsibly. So if you have theories na may other suggestions pa kayo na or may other take pa
Topics.
kayo with money
Yeah.
can buy happiness, feel free to comment below and
Or like other takes na they would want to hear, or they would want to hear us talk about or discuss, alam niyo yun. If you have takes or if you have topics that you'd love to hear, alam mo yun, just comment down below.
yes,
Like, it's up to you
and if
guys.
hindi kayo nag-agree talaga na money can buy or can't buy happiness, and
Mm.
then ano, we respect your decision.
Yeah, and
So,
like everything we say here, dearies, take it with a grain of salt, please. We don't mean to offend anyone or anyone else. We just want to voice our opinions because that's what this podcast is all about.
okay. So if there's yeah, so that's the end of our episode for today. So ayun. It's a wrap, guys. See you on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.